Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by pulling the essential series: consumption, investment, government spending, and exports minus imports for VU. You need nominal values and the GDP deflator or CPI to convert to real terms. Once done, confirm the reporting period and currency. Make sure population and price index match the same period. Arrange data in a simple table so you can sum components. This immediate organization prevents errors and lets you move directly into calculation without repeated lookups. Now calculate nominal GDP by summing consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. C plus I plus G plus X minus M. After that, convert to real GDP by dividing nominal GDP by the price index, index/100, or by revaluing using base year prices. Make sure to adjust units and convert currency only if comparisons across countries are required. Once you finish these arithmetic steps, reconcile any rounding differences and prepare the series for growth rate analysis. Finish by deriving growth rates and GDP per capita so results are interpretable for VU. Make sure to document assumptions, base year, seasonal adjustment, and currency so others can reproduce your numbers. If totals don't match published figures, check common errors, unit mismatches, omitted import or export items, or wrong index alignment. If problems persist, recompute a single component step by step and cross-check with original source tables. This targeted recheck usually reveals the discrepancy quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.